The day my tools saved the project. I remember the day like it was yesterday. I was halfway through a big woodworking project, building a custom bookshelf for a client, and everything seemed to be going great. But then, disaster struck. My tools, the very heart of my work, started acting up. My table saw blade? Dull. The chisel? Rusty. Even the hand plane was sluggish. It was like they all decided to quit on me at the same time. Frustration set in, and I could feel the clock ticking against my deadline. I had two choices: rush the job with faulty tools or take the time to fix them. Experience told me rushing would lead to more problems, so I opted for the latter. And let me tell you, that decision saved my project. First, I cleaned my tools. Blades and bits covered in resin and sawdust weren't doing me any favors. A quick wipe with a brush and some solvent made a huge difference. Next, the rust on my chisel had to go. I grabbed some vinegar from the kitchen, scrubbed it down, and followed up with a bit of oil to protect it. Rust? Gone. Then came sharpening. You don't realize how important sharp tools are until you're stuck using dull ones. With a sharpening stone in hand, I spent some time on my chisels and plain blades. It didn't take long, but the improvement was night and day. Lastly, I organized my tools. I'd been tossing them around the shop, but it was time for some order. I hung my saws, put my chisels in a rack, and stored my hand tools where they'd stay dry. No more last-minute hunts for missing equipment. Once my tools were back in shape, the work was smooth sailing. I finished the bookshelf on time, and it turned out better than I'd imagined. That day taught me that taking care of your tools isn't just about keeping them clean, it's about keeping your projects on track. Moral of the story? A well-maintained tool is a lifesaver. Take the time to clean, sharpen, and store them properly, and they'll repay you with precision and reliability. And trust me, they'll never let you down when you need them most.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tips and project ideas. And here's something special: if you're ready to build your own Adirondack chair, we've got a detailed guide just for you. Download it now and take the first step toward your next project. Your support means the world to us.